Hey guys, now we'll see how to use image tag in Next.js. So basically Next provide its own image component which makes loading of image faster and reduces the size of the image also during build time. So let's just see it. So if I want to use normal images, so we'll put in the public folder. So currently just download some images. So I'll say images like normal, go to images. I'll download this image. Okay, save image as, and will save as one, so that will be for easy for me to write. And I go wherever my data is saved and paste in the public folder. I mean save in the public folder. So our file got saved. Now to access it, what we'll do, we'll say, maybe let me just put this. Yep. Now I'll just say underscore image tag, normal image tag, and I'll say source equals to, we'll say slash. So slash means this public folder. So all your code assets will be in public folder. So slash means public folder. And then we have a file called 1.jpg, guys. Save it. And we got the image. See how easy it is. But it's the normal HTML way. Okay, so it's showing some error also saying do not use image tag, use image from next image instead. So it's by default VS Code showing you do not use that. Okay, so now how to use that? So for that we'll import image from next slash image. Okay guys, normal. Now same image I will put like this, like a component. Now here we'll have a source. Here also we'll do 1/jpg. Okay, save it, and it will give us an error. What? Image with src source must use width and height or layout fill. Okay, so either you have to get width and height or use layout fill. Either use both of them, with height or use layout fill. Either one of the stuff you have to use. So firstly we'll give height and width. Height equals to, I'll say 100. Width also I'll say equals to 100. Okay, see, now we'll save it, and again if using relative image it must start with the leading slash or be absolute URL. Okay, see this slash gone automatically. Yeah, so we got this image also. That's so small image, guys. Okay, now if you don't want to give height and width also, use layout fill. Okay, so I'll remove both of stuff. I'll say layout fill. Now it has filled your whole system. Okay, it has covered whole system, so I'll better remove it. Okay, now it's okay. Now if you want to change the properties, you can just give a class name also. Okay, class name this, and do whatever you want to do in this. Okay, and you want can give alternative also, like this is a tree. Okay, so let me post this alternative here also because this image tag is showing error. I think here I have to give height and width also. Let it be. Now if I Google next image, so there are a lot of other options also. You can see, you can just explore that also. Firstly, source. Normally you can in source you can give the URLs also. With height I have already shown you. Optional props. See, intrinsic, scale down to fit width of container up to image size. Okay, so it's the scaling, so it can scale down your image. Okay, then fixed, it will be fixed. Obviously responsive, how much responsive you want according to the screen size, width and all. Fill, it should fill up. Okay, so you can just try on. There are a lot of key value pairs you can just try. Okay, then there's something called quality. Okay, so quality you can give like normally next image uses 100 70% of the quality, so I can define how much quality I want 100% quality because it's very important pic. Okay, so you can use that also because you can't see much, but that's it. But if you want to load image faster, you can use 20 quality 20, but by default it's 70. Okay guys, but I want 50 only quality. Okay, see, you won't see much changes, so you can have it. Let me do percentage here. Okay, or I can just do 100 px, 100 px, or I can just do 500, 500. Yeah, so you can change the quality based on your type, how much quality you want. Basically I use somewhere because I wanted to. Other than that, it's on your own will. Then you have a priority. When true, the image will be considered high priority and preloaded. Okay, when there's some important image, maybe your image company logo on the nav part, that's an important part, so you can just put a priority true. Lazy loading is automatically disabled for images using priority. I think you already know lazy loading as you are studying Next.js. So default is false, so you can just put priority equals to true. I mean, you can't see here because when the image is large. Then there are other options also. You can just object fit and all layout fill, and you can just use that. Okay, then these are like lazy load and also other stuff. Okay, so this was all about using Next.js image optimization techniques in Next.js guys. Okay, yeah, that's it in this part.